My dear students, once again you are welcome to my channel Math Success Point, and today I am going to start the topic of arithmetic progression, that is sum of n terms. In the previous videos we got actually how to find out the nth term, and different questions, a number of questions I discussed with you in the exercise 5.2. Now, first of all, we shall discuss the formula, because you know formula definition makes the questions, the solution of the question easy. And before starting this topic, important topic, this is my request to all of you, you like my videos and share my videos, subscribe my channel so that you will be benefited in future. Frequently I am giving you the solution in the easiest way in my different videos, and I think you are getting the benefit, a lot of benefit, and try to make your mathematics work smart. Okay, I will prepare even the videos for your time management, how to manage our time 24 hours, so that you will be benefited and you can make your life successful one life. If you are getting good education, after getting the good education, definitely you will become happy and you will enjoy your life properly. But to get the quality of education, smart work is required, not the difficult hard work. Smart work is required. Let me take first of all the formula. I will tell you in detail the formula, how this formula comes of sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. I told you the different terms of AP. What? Different terms. Terms of AP. Terms of AP. What are the terms of AP? I told you first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term A plus 2D, and fourth term A plus 3D. Like that. Only you put 3 dot. And suppose I am going to write nth term, A plus n minus 1 D. This is the nth term. And before nth term, what will be the term? A plus n minus 2D. इससे पहले वाली टर्म ये है, n minus 2 लेके इसलिए मैंने, n यहाँ पे n minus 1, इससे पहले वाली टर्म n minus 2. And my dear students, suppose I am going to take the sum of these terms. Let it is to be denoted by S. Sum of these terms, only you put the positive symbol, A plus D and plus A plus 2D. I think these will be more than sufficient for us. Put 1, 2, 3. And sum of this one, A plus n minus 2D and plus A plus n minus 1D. This is the last term, nth term, which is denoted by an. An is equal to what? A plus n minus 1D, I told you. I have discussed. And before that, this is the term. Okay, this is equation number 1, my dear student. See carefully. I am telling you in the easiest way, I will tell you the very, very important thought over here. I am going to write in this line, this equation denoted by S, and I am going to reverse the terms. जो टर्म पहले हैं उसको बाद में ले जाऊंगा, जो टर्म बाद में है उनको मैं पहले लेकर के आऊंगा. ठीक है, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिवर्स. रिवर्स ऑफ द टर्म. राइटिंग रिवर्स order of 1. Reverse order of 1 equation number 1. Reverse means same thing. See, जो लास्ट में उसको पहले लिखेंगे A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, this thing. Next, A plus n minus 2 D and plus same thing 1, 2, 3. Only 3 dots will be right. Next, let me write only the 2, that will be sufficient. A plus D and A plus A only. This is equation number 2. Okay, Here also, if you want to take 2, you can take this thing. You can. It is not required. Okay, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. I am telling you how this form sum of n terms in AP. These are the terms in AP I have given to you. Okay. Add the left hand term in the left hand side, means 2s. 2s in the left hand side. Okay. First term is a in the first equation, and what is the first term in equation number 2? इसको ऐड कर दीजिए. देखिए a के साथ a को ऐड करोगे 2a हो जाएगा बस. That will be 2a plus n minus 1d. It will remain as it is. This is the first. And the second term a plus d. a plus d इसके साथ में ऐड करेंगे. a plus a कितना हो गया? How much it is? 2a. देखिए केयरफुली देख लीजिए. My dear student, d को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना, that will be nd and minus 2d and minus 2d plus d, it will be minus 2. ओके, तो क्या आ जाएगा? n minus 2. देखिए सेपरेटली मैं इसको आपको ऐड करके दिखाऊंगा. प्लस a plus d plus दिस थिंग इसके साथ में ऐड कीजिए. a plus d को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए nd and minus 2d. इसका सम देख लीजिए क्या होगा. a plus a 2a और d के साथ में इसको ऐड किया मैंने an. d minus 2d means minus 2. ओके, तो कितना आ गया देखिए. d, that is d. d you take common. d you take out of it. d. This is its sum. In place of it you write this one. n minus 1 d. I told you the sum of second term and here also second term. Okay. Let me take. I am just going to remove it so that you will understand. Put that 2 dots. Others are not required. 3 dots let me take. Let me take the 3 dots. Okay. In similarly in the last also, a plus this one जो मैंने पहले ऐड किया वही आ जाएगा और इसका क्या आ जाएगा. इसको ऐड करेंगे क्या होगा. 2a plus n minus 1 d. अभी बताया मैंने आपको. और इसके साथ में ऐड करोगे फिर सेम थिंग 2a plus n minus 1 d. My dear student, this we got the addition. एक चीज आपको याद रखनी, you must have to keep in mind. Suppose I am telling you in general 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You are adding what times? n times 1 2 3 plus 2. n times. It is given n times. इसका सम क्या होगा बेटा? 2n. Its sum will be 2n. Because here it is given 2 plus 2 dot 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 means 2. Their sum will be 2n. और यदि आपने यहां पर लिखा 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it will be 3n. Whatever it may be, 4 plus 4 dot 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 4n, 5n, like that. You see, this term is same, this term is also same, this term is also same. Then how you write? What you will write? Let me multiply by n. It will be 2a plus n minus 1 and d. I am just going to do. Okay. N times, because all terms are same, you see. Check. N times 2s. And s will be equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 d. My dear student, this is the formula of sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. This is the formula of sum of n terms in AP. I have told you the detail of it. Those are very intelligent and laborious students. You must have to concentrate over here because sometimes it may ask in your competitive examination. How you got this formula? Let me take some questions from the NCERT book. First of all, I will discuss the questions. Then I will take the other questions. Let me take the question number 1. Find the sum of the AP. AP is given. Let me take the question now. I will discuss the questions because जो अभी बच्चे एग्जामिनेशन में अपियर होने जा रहे हैं उनके लिए भी ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का तो मैंने लगभग पूरा ही चैप्टर कवर करने जा रहा हूं and so that you will be very much happy. Let me take the question 1, first part. Find, similarly you may get the other solution of the other part. Find the sum of the AP. Find the sum of the AP. What is AP? 2, 7, 10, 12. That is 12. Actually, you can form the question yourself. 12 and 10 terms. Sometimes the question may ask in this way. Okay, this is very simple solution. It is given, find the sum of this one. My dear student, you must know the formula. I am just going to write sum of n terms of AP n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This thing you must have to keep in mind. I will use it frequently. Solution: if a is equal to 2 and d is equal to how much? 7 minus 2, that is 5. N is equal to 10. Because 10 terms are there. If terms are not given, then first of all you will find out the number of terms, then you can find out the sum. Otherwise you cannot find it. If these three values are given, a, b and n, then only you can find out the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. ये चीज को आप याद रखें. Okay, you must have to keep in mind. Okay, let me use using Sn will be equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1. Sn means sum of n terms. Okay, in place of n you will write what? 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms. 10 by 2. 2a. In place of a you write 2 plus 10 minus 1 and d is 5. Okay, this is 5. 4 plus 9 into 5. 5. 4 plus 9 into 5. 45. It will be 5 and 45. 49. 49. You multiply it by 5. 9 5 are 45. 4 in end. 20. 24. It is the sum of 10 terms. It is the sum of 10 terms in AP. You see my test. This is a very simple question related with the sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. I will tell you some more questions which I have collected and are given in your book only. Let me know. See the next question. Question number 2. 2. Because so many questions are given for practice. Find the sum. Find the sum only. Only it is given. Find the sum. You see, try to understand. If you understand the sum, solution of some questions, then automatically you can find out the solution of other question. 7 plus it is 10 and half. 10 and half plus 14 plus 3 dots I am just going to put 84. My dear student, just before I told you in my previous question, A, D and N should be given to find out the sum. N is not given here, but nth term is given. See, let me take the solution. A is equal to what? 7 and D will be equal to, this is what term? Let me rearrange it first. Let me rearrange, or you can write 7 plus 10 into 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 2. This is the term, and 14, 84. Now you will write the solution. A is equal to how much? 7 and D is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7. Second term minus first term. Okay, it will be 21 minus 14 by 2. Yes, how much it will be? 7 by 2. 7. 21 minus 14, that is 7. 7 by 2, this is D. But my dear student, you see, nth term is given. An is equal to 84. 84. There is no n term. N. Where is the value of n? N is not given over here. Then what we will do? Then we cannot find out the sum. First of all, what you will do? You find out the value of n by using the nth formula. Let me find out the n using a n will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? But so many conditions are there. I will tell you after telling this question. So many methods are there to find out the solution of one question. Okay? Okay, let me see this one. What is this one? Because this may become a little lengthy, I will tell you this solution. 84 will be equal to A is how much? 7 plus and n minus 1. D is how much? 7 by 2. Okay, 7 you take from left side, from right side to left side, it will be equal to 7 by 2 and n minus 1. Okay, it will be how much? 84 minus 7. That will be 77. 77. And my dear student, take the cross multiplication by 2 and divided by 7, that is n minus 1. It will be 77 divided by 7, that is 11 into 2 is equal to n minus 1. How many terms you got? Tell me. N is equal to 22 plus 1 is equal to n and 23. N is equal to 23. We got the value of n is equal to 23. We got all the values. What the values? A we got, D we got, and B got. Now you can find out the sum of this series, sum of this one. Okay, then what it will be? Sum of this sequence you can find out. You find out its sum now using the sum formula. What is the sum formula? Sn will be equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है. आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन यूज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो, बट यू मस्ट नो शॉर्ट फॉर्म तभी यूज कर सकते हैं व्हेन यू नो n, the value of n. Substitute the value of n. N is equal to, how many terms are there here? 23 terms. Then 23 upon 2. Okay, it will be 2. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 7 plus n, 23 minus 1, and d that is 7 by 2. Like that. How it is possible? What will be its value? So 14 plus, and that is 22 into 7 by 2. Okay, it will be equal to 23 by 2 and 14 plus 11, 77. 77. This is 77. Okay, then you see 23 by 2 into 14 plus 77. That will be equal to how much? 4 plus 7, 11, 1, 9, 91. My dear student, you multiply it. You will get the value. Okay? But before that, before taking this value, I want to tell you one more thing. This is the one more formula of the sum. N by 2, okay, you may bracket a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, it will be equal to what? In short form, I am telling you the short form. A plus, this is what? This is the formula, this is a nth term, because it is nth term, you see. And it will be equal to what? N upon 2 a plus l. Nth term, also known as the last term. Last term. In place of n, you can write the last term. Okay? Then you can find out directly the solution of it. N is 23, and 23 by 2. A is how much? 7. 7. Last term is what? How much? 84. The same thing you are getting. 7 plus 84, that is 91. That is why directly you can find out by using this formula. Okay? You can multiply it. You can multiply 91 multiplied by 23. 3. 27. 2. 9. How much it is? 3. 9. 11. You can do it. Like that. And you may get the value of it. Okay, I think you will get the value of it. Now I will tell you some more questions related to the same thing, because I got n. n, we got the value of n. Okay. Let me take the other things. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे क्या चेक कर लेंगे आप. ये 18, that is 18, not 9. 2 into 9, that is 18. 18. And it will be equal to how much? That is 18, 3, 9, 10, 2. Like this you can do. Okay? It is its multiplication. And its value will be 2093 by 2. And you can change it. If you want to change it into answer form, what will be its value? 1046, 1 by 2. Like that, you can do. You can multiply. Okay, let me take one more question on depend upon it, which is very, very important question for you, because we are discussing, and this formula you must have to keep in mind. I am discussing the questions which are given in your NCERT book. Different questions, similar kind of question I am taking now, which is similar in the same way you can solve. Let me take the question from your book, second part. Okay, in an AP, that is A is equal to 7 and A13 is equal to suppose 35. Find D and S13 you will find out by the student. Similar kind of thing are given, I told you already, using the nth formula. What is the nth formula? A plus n minus 1 into D, and n is equal to 13. A13 means n is equal to 13. So A13 means it will be equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. Okay, A13 is equal to how much? 35. And A is 7 plus 12D. 12D, you see carefully this one. Okay, and let me take 35 minus 7, it will be equal to 12D. It will be 28. 35 minus 7 divided by 12D. I think you may cancel it. D will be equal to how much? D will be, you cancel both the things by 4. 7 by 3. 7 by 3. 7 by 3, that is the value of D. But here it is given, you find out the value of S3 using Sn will be equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and S13, n is 13 by 2, a is same thing, 7 plus n is 13 minus 1, d is d just before we got d. The value of d is 7 by 3. Okay, then 13 by 2, 14 plus 12 into 7 by 2. Okay, you cancel it. My dear student, 12 by 3, it will be 4. 4 into 7. 13 by 2, 14 plus, multiply 7 by 4, 28. Okay, 13 by 2, 14 plus 28. You see, 14 plus 28, that will be how much? 42. Cancel it by 2. 13 into 21. You multiply it. If you will multiply it, 21 by 13, 13 1 3, 13. 13 2 26, 26 plus 1, 27. That will be the sum of 13 terms. I told you the solution of the question in the easiest way, my dear student. That is why you concentrate over here. Let me take one more question, one more value, which will be very, very important for you. The very important questions I am discussing with you. That is given question number 7 in your book. Question number 7 in your book. You see, what an important question is there. Find the sum of the first 22 terms. Question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms. 22 terms of an AP. But what is AP? In which D is equal to 7 and see carefully, D is equal to 7 and 22. 22nd term is 149. 149, if I am not wrong. See, my dear students, this question in your book, you can see question number 7 related with the sum of n terms. The sum of first 22 terms of an AP, you will find in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term, that is given 49. Now let me take the question. Because 22nd term is given, you will find out the sum of 22 terms of the AP. Because D we are not having what? A. Then A, how you can find out? Using An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. You see how you can find out n? N will be 22nd term. A 22nd will be equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into D. D you are having. 22nd term is how much? You substitute the values. 149. A, we are in need. 21 into D, D that is 7. Okay, A plus you multiply by, see, 21 into 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. And it will be 149. 149 minus 147 is equal to A. 149 minus 147, 2. A is equal to 2. But you will have to find out sum of how many terms? 22 terms. Find sum of 22 terms. A is equal to how much? 2 you got. D is equal to how much? 7. But n is equal to 22. Easily you may get the value. What? Using? You use the formula Sn will be equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 d. Use this formula. N, I told you 22 by 2. 2. What is a? 2. Plus n, 22 minus 1. And d is how much? Into 7. Okay, that is 11. 4 plus 21 into 7. You see. Okay, then you see 11 and you multiply it. 4 plus 147. 11 into 4 plus 147. 151. 151. Okay, and it will be equal to how much? You multiply 11 by 151. 11 1 ja 11. 11 5 ja 55. 56. 6. 5 in hand. 11. 11 plus 5. 60. This will be the sum of it. 22 terms. That will be sum of 22 terms, you can write as 22. My dear student, you must have to keep in mind the solution. These are the very important questions, and I do hope that you will practice such type of questions on depend upon sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. Definitely you will become the very good in mathematics and you will secure the good marks. Not only here in forthcoming examination, those students will get the admission in class 10, that is very important for them also. Okay, and I request to all of you, you must like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you to all of you.